Hello, welcome to the Love Solar R&D department. We'd just like to show you today our new landscape panel. There's quite a few changes being made, so I'd like to talk you through them. It's currently a 375 watt output. There's a double seal to the top here, and we've increased the overlap between the panels. So that's 100% more, that's a 50 millimeter seal now. So we've got a double seal on here for low pitch roofs, and there's a 50 mil underlap between the panels. There's a few attributes to this panel. It's double glass now, which increases the strength massively. It does increase the weight a little bit, so be aware, they're 25 kilos a piece now. The other thing is they have the highest fire rating out of any solar panel because of the double glass. We like them, they're great. So this is the reverse of the panel. As you can see, it displays everything quite nicely. It's bifacial glass, so there's no plastic in there at all. The connectors must be MC4. It's really important that you do use MC4 back onto your field cables, because, well, if there's anywhere there's going to be a fault, it'll be here, mismatching cables and connectors.